Hello folks, welcome back to the channel. Join me today in the Supra in my garage at home, and I'm about to head out to Brooklands for Cool Flo's last of the season summer night cruise. It's 4 o'clock on a Thursday, or just gone 4 o'clock, and I need to be there for 6. It's usually about an hour and a half, but at this time of the day it's probably going to take me 2 hours to get there. Anyway, join me along for the drive and the show, and we'll see what we can find. I'm sure there's going to be some cool cars there. Catch you in a minute. So for any of you that don't know, Brooklands is basically the birthplace of Formula 1 in the UK. I'm not sure if that's worldwide actually, but it's definitely where Formula 1 started in the UK, and it's the concrete banked track that you've probably heard about. Unfortunately there's not much of the track left. There is still some of it, but a lot of the original buildings are all still there. It's also where a lot of Concorde, part of Concorde was built there, so there was actually a Concorde there as well, and it played a really pivotal role in the Second World War. So yeah, it's a really cool place. It's one of my favourite places actually. I'm actually a member of it because I just sort of like to contribute towards its upkeep really. But yeah, so sat-nav is saying we'll be there about just on 6, which is just right because it starts at 6. So I'll catch up with you once we're there. You won't believe it, I'm parked next to an MX-5. But yeah, this is cool. There's a lot of really cool stuff here. Let's have a look up the hill there. So that's the way we came down there. So they're separating pre-95 and post-95. Pre-95 comes this way, post-95 goes over there. Can't get away from them MX-5s. They're everywhere. Right, might struggle a little bit with recording here, especially with voiceover, because obviously there's music in the background, so I might get a copyright strike. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly sort of walk around because, well, a couple of things. There's a lot here, and but two, I haven't got much battery left, so I'll get what I can. If I see anything interesting, I'll stop and say, hang on a minute, what's that in there? It's pretty interesting. Very nice. Right, what else we got? Probably going to have to be quite quick. I like to look at this BMW that's down here. Let's go and have a look at that. TVR's nice. Yeah, I'm liking that. That'll do me. That's cool. There's just so much variety here. It's really good. There's another MX-5. A few T25s over here. Another one over there. I think I've seen that turquoisey coloured one about. What else we got? He's having his lunch. So it's 7:15 now, and they're still coming in. So that over there, green roof building, that's the main clubhouse. That's all been here forever, as far as I know. I'm sure some people will correct me. Fell down a hole then. What do you reckon? Should we look at the seals later? See if they're rusty. What tray? Another MX-5 over there, red one. Oh, it's a 928 over here. Do like a 928. There's a couple of reasons for that. One, I just like them anyway. But two, they're available, or they were out the same year I was born. So quite like them for that reason. I'm not going to tell you when that is. Yeah, it's cool. What's the interior like? Sometimes the interior in these is just so cool. I like the ones that I think the earlier ones are sort of checked. So I'm not the oracle on those, so I could very likely be wrong with that. I keep thinking about one of these to replace the Supra, the Mark 1 V8 manual. Obviously not the same as that as the V10, but I don't know, they're sort of value wise they're about the same now. Loving the Merc. That's cool. What else we got? What we got in there? I don't know what that is. It's turboed. Touch. No, I don't think that's a good idea.
You don't like it, so Mike, how dare you say that like a Mark 2? Never been 45 for that, though.
this way. See what we can see around here. So this is a normal, if you come in on a normal day, this is the entrance you come in on, which is that's where the gift shop and everything is. And you come in and you lead this way round to the museum. Price of these Series 1 RS Turbos has gone insane. Don't quite understand it, to be honest. I mean, they're cool, but I saw one for sale 55 grand with 70,000 miles on it. It was clean, but 55 grand? Don't know, I'm not sure. It's 328 there. Might actually know the owner of this one. Yeah, it's the one I think it is. Yeah, I think it is. It's actually a customer of ours. His daughter's got a really low mileage Monza, I think. Looks like Monza. Yeah, we saw that come in, didn't we? Loving that. Many monies. Oh, look at this. This Beetle over here. It's got a Supra engine in the back of it.
Teeny little camera.
Cheers. Right. Now this is come up here is one of my sort of all-time favourites, but only because of Back to the Future. I know the crap cars really, but it's really clean. If any classic was prime for an electric conversion, it's a DeLorean. That's cool, we saw that driving. It's got the horn. There's an all Agro.
Oh yeah, that one.
Rare, but nobody cares. Right, I'm going to try and do what I can in here. We might struggle.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out,
Hope you enjoyed that. And next year I'm going to be getting to this one a bit more. I only found out about it I found out about the one last month, but obviously it was pouring down with rain. Still coming in. They're all going all the way up there as well. This golf school. Yep, we're going now. Yeah, that's cool. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.